today we're going to be growing some plants for our soup garden at Nest. We've not been able to get on site to grow our lovely soup garden this year, so what we're going to do is plant the seedlings at home, and then hopefully by the time we're out of lockdown we will be able to transplant them over to the site. Now, one of the things that we've all have loads of in lockdown is the inside of toilet rolls. So we're going to use these today to make some little seedling pots to grow our seeds from. Right, Ryan's going to show us how to make a little seedling pot from the toilet roll holder. Ryan, if you hold it down a wee bit, that's it. And show us what you do. Just go around at one end, pressing in with your thumb all the way around. Till it makes a bottom on the end of your tube. Sometimes you can get a little hole in it, so you just keep folding in the corners until the bottom of it's flat. Press it down and there we go, one seedling pot. So now we've got a load of little toilet roll seedling pots, and we're going to fill them up with some compost. We're quite lucky because we've got our own compost in the garden, but pot and compost easily available from supermarkets and other places that you might be needing to visit. Marlo's in charge of planting the vegetables today, so she's pushing a couple of little seeds right into the soil. You're going to push them in, Marlo? That's it. Good girl. And Ryan's in charge of the herbs today. So after lots of hard work, Ryan's got some oregano, some orange thyme, some sage, some basil, some tarragon and some coriander. Marlo's got some carrots, she's also got some rainbow carrots, some leek, some parsnip and some beetroot. And now we're just going to give all the little seed pots a little water, aren't we, Marlo? So that they've all got lots of water. We ready?
Yes.
Really gently.
Okay.